Welcome to the Making Atoms simulation. In this simulation, you'll construct atoms and ions by adding protons, neutrons, and electrons. To make an atom or ion, select and drag protons to the center of the atom. You can add additional protons, neutrons, and electrons to change the species into a different species. The periodic table on the right side of the screen displays the name of the species and its location on the periodic table. Select the plus sign symbol on the net charge option to show the net charge on the species currently built on the screen. Select the plus symbol on the mass number option to show the mass number of the species currently built on the screen. Choose the element option in the Show menu to display the name of that species currently built on screen. Select the Neutral Ion option in the Show menu to tell whether that species is an atom or an ion. Select the Stable, Unstable option in the Show menu to show whether that species' nucleus is stable or unstable. The orange Reset button returns the screen to its original state.